back in the old days of Inventor, when we were trying to maybe find your model browser because it disappeared, you'd have to go dig in one of the, some of the tabs to actually go find it. So today what we want to do is I just want to show you how Inventor has changed over the last few releases and where you can find some of the commands. So first of all, when your model browser disappeared, oopsie, oh, where did that go? How do I get it back? You'd have to go to your View tab, and on your user interface, you'll see there, you go to your model browser over there. Okay. So now what they've done is if you do happen to make this model browser disappear, a little plus button pops up in the top left hand corner, and you then able to go and open up layout browser, model browser, electric catalog browser, representations, your iLogic log, or your favorites. So selecting that, now your model browser is back. One of the things that I like to do in Inventor when I've got a couple of, say, tabs open over here, or a couple of models, if I'm creating a part, I want to drag it into my assembly, I would just want to go and have the two windows cascaded next to each other, vertically or horizontally, and then I'd be able to drag and drop it in. For this, now what you can do is you've got a couple of options. In the top right-hand corner over here, you've got restore previous layout. So you've got your layouts over there. So those are the previous layouts that I'm restoring. I can go and maximize any which one I want. Or if in the bottom right-hand corner, you can also go and select the arrange horizontal tile, vertical tile. So if I click on arrange, you'll see it also then goes and arranges however many windows or parts or assemblies I've got open back into my drawing space. Then I can just go and maximize the one that I want. Now, if you've got the top here under your Windows panel, you can see that I've also got a switch, and it tells me I can either switch to my home, elbow, or jack.iam. And I'll give it a little preview as well. So I want to go to the home tab. There we go. So in the new Inventor, there's quite a few different options or different places you can go to be able to switch between the new windows. One of the most exciting things about Windows 2020 is that you can actually now do two proper sort of windows of your parts on two screens. So it has that true functionality. And for that, you can just drag and drop one of those in. So select that, and then you can see I can just drag it out and go and put it in somewhere else. I'm just going to keep it there. I don't have two screens yet. Let's just go rearrange it. But as you can see there, I've just been able to drag it, and then I'd be able to drop it onto my second screen. I've got two screen functionality over there. So it's going to go arrange. It arranges everything back again, and I'm going to maximize this window. And under your user interface, once again, sorry, just we looked at that already. And then you've got your clean screen. Okay, so just really maximizing your screen time over there to be able to work in your environment. You want to get that back again. Just go onto the right-hand side over here, show full ribbon, and you've got your ribbon back again, where there you've got your clean screen, select clean screen, and it will open up with your model browser on the left-hand side again. And that's just some of the ways that you can navigate around your open windows for your parts and assemblies and drawings, even your home screen, as you can see, in the new Inventor 2020. Thanks very much for watching.